To begin the process of obtaining your Journeyman Electrician license in Florida, firstly contact the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation, or DBPR. You can visit their website at mflorida.com/dbpr. Secondly, you can call the DBPR Electrical Licensing Unit at 850-487-1395. After contacting the DBPR, verify your eligibility. You must have a minimum of 8,000 hours of documented electrical experience. To demonstrate this, you will need to gather proof of your hours. W-2s are a primary source. Collect W-2s from all employers demonstrating your electrical work experience. If W-2s are unavailable, pay stubs can be used. Provide pay stubs that show hours worked and evidence of electrical-related duties. Employment verification letters are also acceptable. Obtain letters from former employers confirming your employment period and job responsibilities. A detailed logbook can also be helpful. Maintain a detailed logbook of all hours worked, including dates, times, and specific tasks performed. If you completed an apprenticeship program, provide a copy of your completion certificate. Once you have gathered your documentation, apply for the exam. Download the application form from the DBPR website. Complete the application and attach proof of hours and a fee of $250. Submit the application to the DBPR Electrical Licensing Unit. If you cannot obtain W-2s from previous employers, other acceptable forms of proof include tax returns showing income from electrical work, union dues records, and sworn affidavits from former coworkers or supervisors attesting to your work experience. The application process typically takes 1 to 2 months. Once approved, you will be scheduled for the Journeyman Electrician exam. The exam consists of 110 multiple-choice questions and has a 3-hour time limit. You must pass the exam within 2 years of receiving your application approval. Florida has a reciprocity agreement with other states, so you may be able to transfer your journeyman license from another state. Contact the DBPR for specific requirements and any updates to the licensing process.